Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are going to create a new video on simple report in Power BI. What we are going to do first, I will show it to you. Look, see, this is the data list of ABBA songs. This is the data which we are having, and we are to work on this data to create a simple report. This is simple Excel file, and here is a table with 3 columns: song title, albums, release year. And what we are going to perform on this table, I am going to show you also this one. Look, first we have to perform this task. Simply from where we can load the Excel file. We have 2 methods. I will show it to you. First, this simple task we have to perform: how to load data from Excel file at here or from any file. You will be able to differentiate while uploading the data to Power BI. Second task, this is the second task. We are having a table with certain fields in the field pane. What we will have to do, we will have to change the names of the columns, and we have to hide a certain column. This is a simple task. And the third task is this task. We have to show a table containing song and year. The 2 columns, we have to show a table having 2 columns with the name of year and song, and we will display this table, as you know, in the canvas pane. So it is very simple. Let's start. This is our Power BI. Our first task that we have to load an Excel file. We can adopt 2 approaches. First approach, if we click it here and get data, and we can click from here. One approach is this, but we now adopt another approach, which is we click on this Excel workbook button. We click it here. Now we will upload the file. Here is the file, Excel file. We click on it and it will get loaded. You see, it is connecting. The file is loaded with having a table with the name of ABBA songs. We click it, and on another task that we have to perform, we load it. It is getting loaded. The table got loaded. Now we see its fields. We have 3 fields. What we are going to do, we have to change the name of certain columns. And another task that we are going to perform, we have to hide a field. What we are going to do, I will show you it here. This task, not this one. We have to perform this task. album is in parentheses. This is name of the field, and we replace it with album, simply album. And release year, instead of release year, we simply write year. These two column names we will change, and then we will hide the album. We will minimize the album column. So these are two simple tasks. Release year is replaced by simply year, and albums is replaced by album. This is very simple. How we do it? See. Here is album, we rename it simply. We write we change the name of album and we change the name of another column. So simply rename it, and instead of release year, we simply write year. We did so. These are the two tasks. Another task is that we have to hide this column. This was the second activity of this tutorial we just performed. And now we move towards the third activity. And third activity, what we are going to do, we have to display a table having song and year in the canvas pane. We have to display a table and the canvas pane having two columns, song and year. So let's do it. We click on table. This is in the visualization pane, this is table. We clicked on table. Now we have to select song and year. These two fields we have to display in the table. Another one is year. Let's enlarge it. So this is our table. Now if we want to make its visibility more clear, then what we will have to do, we apply certain formatting upon it. We click on it. We come to the values. We change its font size. We make it 20. Now its visibility is clear. Suppose we add another feature. We make the title of the field much clearer. For that, what we will have to do, column headers. We come it here. We increase the font of column header. We did so. We make some other changes. Suppose we apply some background color. Suppose we select this color. So these are the changes we made to it. So these were the three simple tasks that we were to perform, and the tutorial is going to over. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet in the next tutorial.